कोशिश करेंगे कि लोगों से कुछ बात कर सके। आप लोग आज साथ में जा रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मनमोहन सिंह को कैसे याद करेंगे?
इतिहास के पन्नों में लिखा जाएगा। मनमोहन सिंह जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जिन्होंने देश के लिए, अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए, हिंदुस्तान को जो यहाँ तक 2014 तक लेके आए हैं, ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री होने मुश्किल है।
तमाम जो कार्यकर्ता हैं, इस वक्त मैं आपको तस्वीर दिखाना चाहूंगी। जो नेता हैं वो यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। जो एक गाड़ी है उसका इंतजाम किया गया है जिसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी के तमाम जो नेता हैं वो मौजूद हैं और इसके अलावा इनके पार्थिव शरीर को जाके डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को राजकीय सम्मान के साथ जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय से निगम बोध घाट, जहाँ पे उनका अंतिम संस्कार होना है, वहां ले जाया जा रहा है। पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है निगम बोध घाट पे उनके साथ जाएगी। इसके अलावा अगर बात करें तो गांधी परिवार, खास तौर पे सोनिया गांधी जो कि बीमार रहती है लेकिन वो फिर भी जो है वहां जा रही हैं। एक बार बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सर, आज एक अंतिम विदाई जो है डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को दी जा रही है। देश ने तमाम उन्होंने बड़े बड़े काम किए, यूपीए 1, यूपीए 2, किस तरह से आप उनको याद कर रहे हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, देश के इतिहास में उनका एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पहलू रहा है। जब हमारा देश की इकोनॉमी कोलैप्स हो चुकी थी, उनकी नीतियों ने न केवल हमारे देश की इकोनॉमी को बचाया लेकिन अगले ग्रोथ स्टेज के लिए जो नींव है वो उन्होंने बनाई। और फिर बाद में यूपीए 1, यूपीए 2 के दौरान उन्होंने जो गरीब हैं, क्योंकि पहले जो ग्रोथ हुआ उससे तो देश को फायदा हुआ लेकिन गरीब लोग काफ़ी पीछे रह गए थे, उनके लिए मनरेगा, राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन, एमएसपी का सही रेट वगैरह वगैरह, इन नीतियों के साथ इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ का एक स्टेज आया।
एक सवाल ये बनता है कि पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री रहे हैं मनमोहन सिंह, हमेशा एक उच्च पद पे रहे। उन्होंने गवर्नर के तौर पे अपने आप को सर्व किया, वित्त मंत्री के तौर पे सर्व किया, पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पे सर्व किया। आज उनका अंतिम संस्कार जो है वो निगम बोध घाट पे हो रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या इस पे सवाल खड़े कर रही है? आप लोग नाराज है इस बात से?
देखिए, ये मैं हमारे अन्य प्रवक्ताओं को इसकी टिप्पणी करने दूंगा। इसके बारे में मैं कुछ अभी कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ, लेकिन जब पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री का सम्मान तो होना ही चाहिए, इसके दो राय नहीं है। पूरा देश चाहता है। मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे देखा किस तरह की उनके बारे में इतनी पॉजिटिविटी आ रही है, लोगों की यादें आ रही हैं उनके बारे में, बहुत अच्छे एसोसिएशंस हैं लोगों के, तो इसका सम्मान तो होना चाहिए। मैं इस डिटेल में नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन पूरा देश चाहता है कि पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह का पूरी तरह सम्मान हो और उनकी अंतिम यात्रा में उसकी अच्छी तरह किया जाए।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अमिताभ जी। देखिए, साफ तौर पे पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो जो है मनमोहन सिंह के जो उनकी अंतिम विदाई है उसके साथ जाती हुई नजर आ रही है। तमाम कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो नेता है, खास तौर पे गांधी परिवार की बात करें तो गांधी परिवार भी जो है निगम बोध घाट पे मौजूद रहेगा। सोनिया गांधी जो है वो अपनी गाड़ी से गई है, प्रियंका, राहुल गांधी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे, तमाम जो नेता है वो देखे जाना शुरू हो चुके हैं। अलग अलग गाड़ियों से अलग अलग जो नेता है वो निगम बोध घाट जो है पहुंच रहे हैं। कल शाम को कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने तमाम पार्टी के नेताओं को ये मैसेज दिया था कि निगम बोध घाट पे 12 बजे सभी को मौजूद रहना है, क्योंकि देश के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह को जब अंतिम विदाई दी जाएगी तो कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहती थी कि तमाम जो नेता है वो मौजूद रहे। और तस्वीरें अपने आप में बता रही हैं कि किस तरह का भावुक पल जो है वो पार्टी के लिए, देश के लिए, तमाम उन कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए, उन नेताओं के लिए है जिन्होंने मनमोहन सिंह की कैबिनेट में काम किया, चाहे वो चपरासी हो, चाहे वो मंत्री हो, चाहे वो उनके साथ पदाधिकारी हो। तमाम वो लोग जिन्होंने मनमोहन सिंह के साथ काम किया या उनके साथ उनका रिश्ता रहा, वो आज उनको नम आंखों से याद करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। और अब से कुछ देर में मनमोहन सिंह जो है वो निगम बोध घाट पहुंचेंगे और वहां पे उनका अंतिम संस्कार जो है वो किया जाएगा।
All right, Kanika, in fact, thank you for giving us the latest inputs that you are gathering from, in fact, outside the Congress headquarters, where in full state honors and in complete respect, the mortal remains of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh have been now taken for, in fact, arrival at the Nigam Bodh Ghat. On that note, joining me is my colleague Sambhav from Nigam Bodh Ghat. Sambhav, as in fact right now the mortal remains of Dr. Singh are on its way, what is the preparation done at the Nigam Bodh Ghat, and how many leaders have also from the Congress party and the High Command reached there to be present in the last rites in a very emotional farewell?
Well, and I tried to speak to few of the people here, but denied to speak. They are bidding their emotional here at the Nigam Bodh Ghat. I'm to live visuals. I'll try to pan the camera and show you the visuals of how see, look at the visuals. These are the visuals from outside. This is the main entrance gate of the Nigam Bodh Ghat, and these are the visuals. This is the security deployment here at the Nigam Bodh Ghat. Now I'll pan the camera and show you the visuals from the other side. The main entrance gate from where the funeral procession will enter the Nigam Bodh Ghat and last rites will take place. These are the visuals of the main entrance gate, the inside gate of Nigam Bodh Ghat, from where the funeral procession will enter. And here are the few people, and this is the security deployment inside the Nigam Bodh Ghat. And these are the live visuals I'm showing you. Viewers can see, and I'm again trying to pan. See, this is the main entrance gate of the Nigam Bodh Ghat, and this is the deployment here at the Nigam Bodh from the Indian Air Force, and bidding their farewell to the former Prime Minister, 2 times Prime Minister of India, former Finance Minister of India, and a reformist Prime Minister of India, to bid their final goodbye, to bid their farewell to Dr. Manmohan Singh.
All right, Sambhav, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, as we are also getting my guest, Advocate Tanu Dixit, with me live on the broadcast. Sir, at this point, in fact, there is grief, nostalgia and a lot of emotion embroiled in this kind of last rite that the nation is witnessing at the age of, in fact, 92. This is the farewell of Dr. Singh. India is definitely mourning the loss of the noted veteran leader who has contributed highly into the development stages for the nation. At the same time, how, in fact, in your opinion, is the memory for ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at the given point of time, when the last rites are being brought to Nigam Bodh Ghat and all the Congress party leaders and the senior high command are there in the final journey?
Thanks, Simran, for having me. And I tell you that Dr. Manmohan Singh was been, known as an technocrat and great economist, as well as we can say a soft-spoken gentleman. His legacy will be remembered forever throughout the country. And he has a very different style of leadership. If you will see that the part where he was a teacher, then a bureaucrat, then a politician, it will definitely mark a different legacy in the history of India. It's a grateful that nation will edu our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh today. And he will be accorded as a state funeral with the full military honor will be given. So this is the time where the Congress have demands the cremation should have take place, where they will build a memorial as well. So that the center have allocated a Nigam Bodh Ghat a funeral place as well as for the memorial. But later on, the Congress have also alleged that says that the delay in allocation is also an insult of the former Prime Minister. Anyways, it's not a time to get discussed for those politics, but definitely India will be remember him for his great endeavors as well as the great efforts what we had made at the time of the India 1991 economic reforms. Yes, Simran.
All right. In fact, I also have another guest joining me live on the broadcast. Ashutosh joins me live on the broadcast, as rightly said by my guest, Mr. Dixit. Now, how do we take the lessons is also a very big question. I've spoken to a few leaders and noted scholars as well, saying that there have been many lessons in the time and tenure of Dr. Singh that now also politicians and the political governance can take so, as being called as a quiet leader in fact, but at the same time he instilled a sense of action. Ashutosh.
Simran, I would say that he was a quiet person, not very outspoken, but the work he has done, the legacy which he has left behind will continue. The present reforms, what we are going, the GDP of India is growing at the rate of almost close to 7%. It was the base was led down by Dr. Manmohan Singh way back in 1991 when he was the finance minister. At the time Mara was the prime minister, he was the finance minister. The policies which he made, and he invited the foreign companies to come and invest in India. FDI was his legacy that he started. He invited foreign companies to make them understand India is a safe destination, and several other schemes which were started by Manmohan Singh. They are still continuing in Indian politics. I mean, he's not been given the place where he was going to be cremated. He's going to be cremated at the Nigambodh Ghat, and later on the memorial will be erected. Manmohan Singh was a great educationist. He was a great technocrat. He was a great economist. He not only starting his career teaching at the Delhi University School of Economics, then he became governor of Reserve Bank of India, finance minister, and later on prime minister. He completed 10 years as a prime minister. He was the first one out of the Nehru family who completed 10 years as a prime minister. Manmohan Singh's policies, which he started during his tenure as a finance minister and as a prime minister, what he did, that led to India on the path of progress. And India has continued to progress. And now under the Modi's leadership, countries following the policies what he laid down earlier, way back 30 years back. I think it's the entire nation, 150 crore Indian, they're mourning the death of their beloved Prime Minister, the Congress last Prime Minister who served 10 years. So it's a great loss to the nation, and we all pray that his soul rests in peace, and the path shown by him is still followed by the present government, and we all pay respect to the departed soul.
Well, in fact, as you are also putting this